Warning, your legs fade first. Seniors must eat these 3 foods to stay strong. Did you know your legs are often the first to lose strength as you age? Weak legs mean less balance, more falls, and reduced mobility. But here's the good news. Daily food choices can keep your legs strong and your lifestyle active. Let's dive in. Protein is your leg's best friend. Foods like eggs, lean chicken, and lentils fuel muscle repair and prevent loss of strength. Aim to include protein in every meal. It's the secret ingredient to keeping your legs ready for every step you take. Your bones need love too. Dairy products, fortified orange juice, and leafy greens like kale are calcium-packed to strengthen bones. Pair them with vitamin D-rich foods like fish or sunlight exposure for maximum absorption. Together, they build a solid foundation for your legs. Don't neglect magnesium. It helps your muscles function properly. Snack on almonds, bananas, or spinach to boost muscle performance and curb cramping. A sprinkle of this mineral will keep your legs ready for the long haul. Stay ahead of aging by fueling your legs with these superfoods. Start small. Add 1 to your plate today. Share this video with friends and empower them to stay strong too. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Protect it 1 bite at a time.